So we just had brownout, and they don't have generators here. And this is our light. They just gave us light, and the dong said they don't know when will the power back, because the Noreco's fixing something here somewhere not here. So we're just gonna wait, and we're planning to go swimming tonight. But it depends if Zoe's still awake, because she's a little cranky right now because she's sleepy. So I'll just gonna give her a boobie, and I'm gonna let her sleep for a while. So that's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Good morning, Zoe. Wow, so pretty. Can you say hi? Hi. Say hi to the camera. No, don't take your flower. So our food is ready. We ordered chicken inasal with lots of vegetables and banana shake. Supposedly we ordered a mango shake, but there's no mango. So we chose banana shake instead. So let's try our food, and I'm gonna update you if it's good or not. Ned will be here by 11:30, and we're gonna check the beach if he can do some snorkeling. Zoe's eating carrots. Eat your carrots, Zoe. Oh,
Change the new one.
Eat it.
Try to bite.
Eat.
Bite.
No.
This one.
Beans. Eat your beans.
Try to bite. Have a small bite.
What's with that face? Daddy will get mad at you.
Try your chicken.
Chicken?
That's chicken.
That's chicken. Mmm, yum yum. How about the other vegetable? That one. I'll eat it. Zoe! Daddy will get mad at you. Zoe,
have a bite.
you need to eat vegetables. Zoe, hey. Eat your vegetables. Zoe, hey.
Have a small bite.
Just a small bite. Eat it. So we are now going to the beach, and there's some sort of walking going there. That dong is our tour guide, and my sister and daughter. I hope the beach is good for snorkeling. Hi, Mr. Cow. How's your life? Good? You're cute. Walking is challenging if you're carrying a fat baby. Just kidding, Zoe. We're almost there. Yay! So we're already at the beach. They get some nice wave over here. So windy, and we are so near to Apple Island. And yeah, so windy. I'm trying to cover the microphone. I hope you can still hear me. There's some reefs over there. Ned might check that out later. I like this place. Maybe we could go here again with Ned soon. And our baby is playing on the sand. Look at your feet, Zoe. Look at that fat toe. Yay! Kicking the sand. Zoe. Are you a cat? You like the sand now, huh? Get leaves. Zoe, look at your hands. You need a shower.
She will swim again.
You gonna swim again? Don't put that in your mouth.
That's me, by the way. No, it took 3 months of concerted courting. That's you, Zoe. Uh-oh.
So I forgot to do the review of the food. So how's the food, sister?
Good.
Very good. 1 out of 10. What number?
8.
8. How about you, Zoe? How's the food? How's the food?
She likes the banana shake.
Yeah, she likes the banana shake. You like the banana shake? How about the vegetables? You don't like the vegetables? No. Yeah. No. Okay. How about the chicken? You like the chicken? Huh? Zoe, did you like the chicken? Yeah, their food is great. It's so lami, saboroso. I want to go back here next time, and I hope Ned will go with us. So somebody left a comment in the Mike's Darwin video. Happy Guy said, whenever I hear Janice, I think of the character on Friends. So that's it for today, and I will see you on our next vlog. Peace out. This is Chichay,
Janice.
and baby Zoe. See you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Bye bye. Bye bye,
Thank you,
Zoe.
Zoe. Thank
One kiss. Mwah.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.